Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. Today we're going to crawl underneath of a crawl space that we installed a sump pump about 3 years ago to protect the ductwork. And we're just going to check it. We're also going to clean some of the lines with our jetter. So let's take a look. So this is the opening to the crawl space, just to give you some idea of how tight this is. We're going to lay down on our belly. We're going to crawl back up under here and take a look. So what happened here is last week, big thunderstorm, power went out, got about 6 inches of rain, and the homeowner noticed that there was water in her main duct. So she gave us a call, and you can see what happened. Basically that pump quit working, and the water definitely flooded, filled up the duct, got under the moisture barrier, and now we need to straighten out the moisture barrier. And I'm crawling back here to check the sump pump to make sure that there's no problem. So you can see there's some water laying here. Let's get over there and take a look. Oh yeah, you can see where this flooded. You see the sand all up, even on the check valve. That water really came up high, but you can see the pump is working great. We checked the pump, and you can see the watermark all along that duct. Remember, we installed a footer pipe that ran back through that section of crawl space, but I can see where that water flooded, and we need to get back in here and resurface this footer tile to make sure that everything is working good. You know, one of the biggest fears the homeowner has about waterproofing is that they have somebody do this and they install a system, but when there's a problem, they don't come back. This is especially true when you've got a French drain company that says they're installing French drain, and then all of a sudden now they're installing sump pumps. I think one of the greatest things about our business is that we become very personable. And when you meet us and we install the job, you become family. And you know that you can call us, and you know that we will come back and fix whatever problem you have. So again, tiny crawl spaces, lots of fun. If you're able to get underneath here and do this type of work, you can save yourself tens of thousands, that's for sure. But you can see it's very, very tight. This has got a blown insulation. I don't know why they did that, but it's very tight and a lot of obstacles. But you can do that. And here's daylight coming out. So finally, the little obstacle of climbing out. It's always good, but it's very tight opening. But what a view as you come out, right? Crawling out. But what a view as you come out, beautiful. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day. Be sure to watch our next video on how to clean and maintenance your French drain.
You are building the French drain wrong. Only I can build a French drain.
You know, we get so many email requests now asking for Sideshow Bob. We decided to go ahead and give him his own French drain channel. Check it out in the description box below, Sideshow Bob.